Hello guys, welcome back to my channel YouTube Speaking News. Today I have a good news for share to everyone. Toyota has added a Woodland Edition model to the Sienna lineup for 2022. It comes standard with all-wheel drive, and sports a 0.6-inch lift kit to give it better ground clearance. The Woodland Edition also includes a suite of accessories intended to make life easier for adventurous buyers, including a roof rack, a tow hitch, and a 1500-watt power outlet. We are eyeballing the sporty XSE model, which comes with 20-inch wheels, more aggressive front and rear bumpers, and sport front seats. The XSE also comes standard with in-dash navigation and second-row captain's chairs. The XSE, like all Sienna trims, comes standard with front-wheel drive, but adding all-wheel drive costs just $760, which seems like a worthy upgrade to us. Unlike previous versions of Toyota's family van, the 2022 Sienna is offered exclusively as a hybrid. The powertrain consists of a 2.5-liter gasoline-powered 4-cylinder engine and a pair of electric motors that combine to make 243 horsepower. All-wheel drive is available and adds a third electric motor in back that drives the rear wheels. The Sienna's main rival, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, is offered solely with front-wheel drive, but its V6 engine and electric motors make 260 horsepower. Our all-wheel drive Sienna Platinum failed to excite us during acceleration testing, requiring 7.7 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour and completing the quarter mile in 15.8 seconds at only 88 miles per hour. These results are similar to what the Pacifica Hybrid managed, but are far slower than non-hybrid examples of the Pacifica we've tested, as well as the Honda Odyssey. The EPA estimates that front-wheel drive versions of the Sienna should deliver 36 mpg city as well as 36 mpg highway, with all-wheel drive examples carrying ratings 1 mpg lower at 35 mpg. In our mix of city and highway driving, we managed 29 mpg with our all-wheel drive Platinum test vehicle. When we get a chance to put the new Sienna through our 75-mile highway fuel economy test, we'll update this story with results. Complementing its daring exterior redesign, the Sienna's interior is modern and stylish. Rather than the open cockpit design of the previous generation model, Toyota has created a tall center console that spans the distance from the dashboard to the center armrest, with a large storage cubby underneath. Upscale Limited and Platinum models have two-tone interior trim and dashboards covered in stitched leather-like material, while the sporty XSE model gets black and white faux leather seats with red contrast stitching. Unlike the Odyssey and the Pacifica Hybrid, the Sienna's second-row seats are not removable. However, the optional second-row captain's chairs can slide forward and back a total of 25 inches to help provide maximum legroom for rear seat riders, or to open as much room as possible aft of the second row for cargo. Limited and Platinum models can be had with reclining second-row seats with pop-up ottomans. The two top trims can also be equipped with an onboard vacuum cleaner. Toyota's latest infotainment interface is a 9.0-inch touchscreen display which stands upright on the dashboard above the climate controls. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa connectivity features are all standard, and 7 USB ports. The van's cabin. Toyota provides Sirius XM satellite radio and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot as well. The base stereo is a 6-speaker setup, and XLE models get 8 speakers. A 12-speaker JBL stereo system is optional on the XLE and XSE and standard on the Limited and Platinum. In-dash navigation is standard starting with the XSE trim. A rear seat entertainment system with an 11.6-inch display is optional on all but the base LE model. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for receiving the news that you see first. Goodbye, see you at the next video.